Welcome to this in-depth review of Tunnelbear VPN. Today, I'll be walking you through what this platform is used for, its main features, pricing, pros and cons. By the end of this review, you should have a clear idea of whether Tunnelbear is the right VPN for you. Let's dive right into the review. Tunnelbear is a public VPN service based in Toronto, Canada. It is a virtual private network VPN service that helps you browse the internet securely and privately. Whether you're browsing on public Wi-Fi, trying to access geo-restricted content, or simply want to keep your data private from advertisers and your internet service provider, Tunnelbear acts as your digital bodyguard. With its user-friendly design and bear-themed interface, Tunnelbear is one of the most approachable VPNs available. The branding makes cybersecurity feel less intimidating and more accessible to the average user, because what you see on screen most times, like you see right now, are bears. It aims to make online privacy accessible to everyone, providing an easy way to protect your online activities from hackers, advertisers, and even your internet service provider. Now let us talk about the main features. Strong encryption. Tunnelbear uses AES 256-bit encryption, which is the industry standard for protecting data. This ensures that your internet traffic is secure, making it difficult for anyone to intercept or decipher your data. No logs policy. Tunnelbear adheres to a strict no logs policy, meaning it doesn't store any records of your browsing activity. This is crucial for maintaining your privacy, as it ensures that even if someone were to request your data, there will be nothing to hand over. Ghost Bear Mode. Ghost Bear is a feature designed to make your encrypted data less detectable by governments, ISPs, and other entities that might block or restrict VPN usage. This is particularly useful in countries with strict internet censorship. Vigilant Bear or Kill Switch. Tunnelbear includes a kill switch feature called Vigilant Bear. If your VPN connection drops, Vigilant Bear will block all unsecure traffic until the connection is restored, preventing accidental exposure of your data. Multi-platform support. Tunnelbear is available on various platforms including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. This cross-platform availability ensures you can protect all your devices with a single VPN account. Confirming your security. Tunnelbear has a way of helping you confirm and be double sure that your online activity is sure and protected. After connecting to a Tunnelbear server by selecting a country and flipping the switch in the app, visit bearsmyip.com bearsmyip.com to confirm that you appear in the country you selected. This is what the screen looks, and this is what you will see if you do that. If it is a match, then it shows that you're secure. And as long as you don't disconnect from Tunnelbear, all of your online activity will be encrypted and appear as though it's coming from a computer in the country you selected. Now let us talk about the pricing. There is a free plan that offers you 2 gigabytes of data per month. Limited features for this plan, but great for testing the service. The unlimited plan is $3.33 per month when billed annually. This plan includes unlimited data and access to all features, as you can see right now. Then there is a Teams plan for businesses securing 2 or more users. The Team plan is $5.75 per month for each user when billed annually. This is designed for businesses and offers centralized billing, dedicated account management, and priority support. Now let us talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. User-friendly interface. Tunnelbear is extremely easy to use, making it an excellent choice for VPN beginners. Strong security features. With AES 256-bit encryption, Ghost Bear, and Vigilant Bear, Tunnelbear offers robust security. No logs policy. Tunnelbear's commitment to not logging user activity ensures your privacy is maintained. Cross-platform support. You can protect multiple devices with one account. And there's a free version available. The free plan is a nice way to test the service before committing to a paid plan. How about the cons of using Tunnelbear? Limited server locations. Tunnelbear has fewer locations compared to some of its competitors, which might affect performance and the ability to access content in certain regions. At the moment, Tunnelbear can be used to browse the internet from 47 countries, and these are the countries as you can see on screen. No live chat support. Tunnelbear lacks live chat support, which can be frustrating if you need immediate assistance. Data cap on the free plan. The 2 GB data limit on the free plan might be restrictive for users who need more bandwidth. So is Tunnelbear a good fit? If you're looking for a VPN that's easy to use with strong security features and you don't need a vast array of server locations, Tunnelbear is a solid choice. It's especially suitable for beginners who want a straightforward way to protect their online privacy without getting bogged down in technical details. Tunnelbear is a serious contender in the VPN space. It's trusted by millions of users worldwide for its strict no-logs policy, ensuring that none of your online activities are recorded or stored. However, if you need more advanced features, broader server coverage, or better streaming support, you might find more value in other VPNs like ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, or NordVPN. Ultimately, Tunnelbear shines for its simplicity and is a good fit for users who prioritize ease of use and strong privacy policies over extensive features. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.